In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful. At certain carriage vehicles, you might have, you definitely have read at certain vehicles, certain carriage vehicles, highly inflammable, keep distance, don't lit fire, don't lit a cigarette. At all the filling stations, petrol pumps, the owners to write, lighting a cigarette is prohibited. No smoking area. You can't lit a cigarette here because the probability is a reservoir of petroleum will catch fire. So there is a danger of it. And we do obey it actually. We do obey it because almost everybody understands the importance of it. But if somebody does not even understand the importance of it, the people around him, her, do understand and will not allow him, her to do that. Will support these people, the visitors, the people present at the occasion, will support the petrol pump administration, petrol pump owners, instead of supporting a person who is lighting the cigarette at a dangerous place. Now there is something funny which I am going to say. I am going to say something funny. Some of the people, some of the people, they are, they themselves are inflammable people, highly inflammable people, carrying the petroleum products. So lighting a cigarette is absolutely prohibited there. Mean doing something or saying something against their temperament, against their wish, it could be dangerous. It could be dangerous. Saying something else which is against their temperament, against their wishes, it could be, not necessarily, but the probability is that it would be dangerous. It would be dangerous. Why? Because the person oneself is an inflammable material. The person oneself is an inflammable material, and it is very dangerous to lit a cigarette, to lit a fire. First of all, first of all, it is really unfortunate if some of us or our loved one, either some of us or any of our loved one, is an inflammable material, is an inflammable person, then it is very unfortunate. Then it is very unfortunate. Some of the ignorant parents, family members, they are found telling other people that this person, this son and daughter of mine, catches fire quickly. He, she, they are the people of bad temperament. They are, they are readily, they readily catch fire. They readily start fighting, start squabbling. So be careful, be cautious. They are found proudly telling it to the other people. That is something really, really, really dangerous. Because once you are proudly telling someone else that this daughter of mine, this son of mine, they, he, she catches fire so quickly, She becomes angry so quickly. So be careful. If at all somebody is telling other people in a glamorous way, in a proud manner, so as a matter of fact, the person who becomes very angry is getting a kind of encouragement. Getting a kind of encouragement from whom? From the family members. From the family member, which is really bad. Why? Because these people ignorantly they are acting as an enemy and not as a friend, because what they are doing and what they are saying is not something pleasant at all. It could be dangerous for a person who himself becomes angry very soon. But if at all we don't tell it the other people, we do tell the other people, but tell it in an apologetic manner, telling it in an apologetic manner, I think this is good, because the person who becomes angry very soon, will come to realize that this is not a merit, this is a demerit, this is not a good thing, this is a bad thing, which I do have to get rid of, which I should try to separate myself. So telling the other people in such a manner. Plus, these people, the family members, have to become a firefighter. That is interesting. They have to, because they are always, or mostly, they are expecting trouble. Mostly, they are expecting trouble. They don't send their son, daughter at many of the places, anticipating that that meeting might turn ugly. So they don't send this type of son or daughter of theirs at several places, with the fear that she will become angry very soon, and a kind of fight or squabbling will start over there, which will become, I think so, which is not good at all. So what to do now? What to do now? Is it enough to keep yourself as a firefighter only? Is it enough? It is good. It is necessary, but it is not enough. It is important is that a person like this one should be taken to a mental health practitioner, should be taken to a psychologist, psychiatrist, and we need to get them treated upon. We need to, this is a kind of illness. This is a kind of illness, and like every illness, we should try to cure it. Being a firefighter, it is a good thing, but it is not enough. It is not, because you can't 100% ensure that she will remain safe, because you are a firefighter. It is not ensured, it is not assured. So that is why it is very important actually to take a family member, to take a loved one like this, should be taken to a psychologist, to a clinical psychiatrist, to a mental health practitioner. It is important, it is very important. It is very important indeed. I think it should not be, it should not be delayed. Plus, if at all you do know that someone, an acquaintance of yours, a friend of yours, a family member of yours, or anyone else is a short tempered, is a bad tempered person, she will start fighting quickly, then I think so. You need to remain careful. You need to remain cautious. You shouldn't, whatever you say it in a safe manner. Say it and do it in such a way that she should neither feel that you are afraid of them, nor, because if you do, she will come to know their power, his or her power, and she will try to utilize it. She will try to keep and hold upon you. So on the one hand, you need to be careful. On the other hand, you shouldn't be encouraging them at all, because if you do not avoid in such a manner, do not do avoid, but in a safe way, so that she should not get encouraged at all. Plus, taking them to a mental health practitioner, it is a sort of must, otherwise it will catch fire one day or the other. Thank you very much. Jazakallah.